There's one extremely common mistake that homeowners make when choosing a roofing company. They collect three quotes, compare the prices, and automatically go with the cheapest one. And at first, that can seem like common sense. Until 6 months later, when your shingles are lifting, leaks start showing up around your chimney, the company stops returning your calls, and suddenly that cheap roof has become the most expensive mistake you've ever made. I've seen this happen way too many times here in Wisconsin. Because roofing in Wisconsin is different. The snow loads are heavy, and high winds and the freeze-thaw cycles can quickly destroy poor workmanship. Unfortunately, if you hire the wrong contractor, you usually don't find out until the damage is already done. So today, I want to walk you through 5 ways you can avoid making an expensive mistake by instead choosing the right Wisconsin roofing company for you. Not just the cheapest or the one with the slickest sales pitch. How you can choose a company that actually gives you long-term protection, solid workmanship, and real peace of mind. There are also a few things most homeowners overlook that can potentially save you tens of thousands of dollars and a lot of frustration. Before we begin though, if you're in Wisconsin and you'd like help figuring out the best solution for your roof, click the link in the description and schedule a call with us here at Wisconsin Exteriors. We'll walk you through your options, answer your questions honestly, and help you make the best long-term decision. All right, let's get into it. Starting with the biggest mistake homeowners make, choosing on price alone. Here's the truth. A roof is not a commodity, and not every roofing company is the same. So if one roofing quote comes in dramatically lower than the others, you should immediately ask yourself why. Because roofing companies only have a few ways to lower their price. Cheaper materials, cutting labor costs, skipping steps in the installation, or rushing through the inspection. And that last one matters more than most homeowners realize. In fact, one of the biggest signs of a great roofing company is how thorough they are during the inspection. Most contractors will just spend 15 minutes on your roof checking it over, but experienced contractors know your roof is only one piece of the system. They'll inspect your ventilation, flashing, decking, attic airflow, gutter drainage, potential leak points, and more. And this is what you want, because if they don't catch those things up front in the inspection, you'll be the one paying for it down the road. That means a cheaper quote that skimps on the inspections and misses hidden problems likely isn't saving you money, since it could cost you much more in the long run with things like leaks, costly repairs, insurance headaches, energy loss, and interior damage. Especially here in Wisconsin, where the weather punishes weak workmanship fast. Getting this right matters more than most people realize. That said, the best value is not always the most expensive quote either. Don't assume that a higher cost will automatically mean better quality, because it doesn't always. Instead of judging companies purely on the price, you should be judging them on other things. Communication is honestly one of the biggest differences between an average contractor and a truly great company. One of the biggest complaints people have about contractors is feeling left in the dark. No callbacks, no updates, no explanation of what's happening. And when it's your home on the line, that's not good enough. A great contractor will make the whole process feel easy for you. You know what's happening, you know the timeline, you know who to call. You're not constantly chasing people down for answers, getting more and more stressed out. And during a major exterior project on the home your family sleeps in, every night that matters enormously. So pay attention to how a company communicates with you during the estimate process. If they're slow to return your calls, vague about details, or hard to pin down before they've even got the job, then guess what? That's probably not going to improve once work starts. Communication is something we take very seriously here at my company, Wisconsin Exteriors. We pride ourselves on being transparent, staying in touch, and walking our clients through every step, so there are no nasty surprises. So if you're watching this and thinking about replacing your roof, siding, windows, or gutters, then click the link below this video and schedule a call with us. Even if you're early in the process, we'll walk you through exactly what to look for so you can make the right decision for you and your family. Next, here's another important tip. Read the company's reviews. When it comes to online reviews, most homeowners just glance at the star rating. But something that's much more useful is when you actually read what people are saying. Are customers mentioning communication? Did the crew show up on time? Did they clean up properly? And most importantly, did the company stand behind their work when something unexpected came up? Because in construction, something always comes up. Anyone can look good when everything goes smoothly. The real test is what happens when it doesn't. And speaking of what happens when things go wrong, let's talk about warranties, because this is where a lot of homeowners get misled. A contractor says it comes with a warranty, and most people just feel reassured and move on. But wait, what kind of warranty is it? You need to know, because there's a massive difference between basic coverage and a premium manufacturer-backed warranty. Here's what most people don't realize. Top manufacturers don't let just anyone offer their best warranties. Contractors need special certifications, training, proven installation standards, and a strong track record to qualify. So if a contractor can't offer you a strong manufacturer warranty, that's a red flag. It often means they don't have the experience or credentials that higher level contractors do. Your roof is only going to be as good as the people who install it. Even premium shingles installed incorrectly will fail early. That's why manufacturer certified contractors matter. The manufacturer is literally trusting them to do the job right. And when you're spending tens of thousands of dollars on your home, you probably want to make sure the job is done right too. Finally, here's a quick litmus test that can tell you if you should go with a particular roofing company or not. Simply ask yourself, will they still be around in 5 years? Because if something goes wrong a few years from now, will the roofing company you choose still be around to make things right? Unfortunately, the reality is that some roofing companies appear overnight after a big storm, do a bunch of quick, cheap jobs, and then disappear. But long-term local companies are different. They have a reputation to protect. They have community relationships and referrals that depend on their work holding up over time. They can't afford to cut corners on their work. So always ask, how long have they been in business? Are they actually local? Do they have real reviews from Wisconsin homeowners? Can they provide references? Do they have a physical office somewhere that I can walk into and talk to them? Because if something goes wrong with your roof later, you need to know they'll still be there to answer for it. The last thing to look for is a company that educates you instead of pressuring you, because the best contractors won't rush you to make a decision. They'll explain things clearly and answer your questions, because they know that informed homeowners make better long-term decisions. All right, so there you have it. 5 different ways to choose the best roofing company for you here in Wisconsin. If you remember one thing from this video, let it be this. Don't choose based on the cheapest quote. Choose based on their reputation, their warranties, how well they communicate, their experience, and whether you genuinely trust them to protect your home the right way. Because remember, a roof isn't just another purchase. It's protection for everything underneath it, including your family. Now, if you'd like help figuring out the best solution for your property, click the link in the description and schedule a call with Wisconsin Exteriors. We'll walk you through your options, answer your questions honestly, and help you make the best long-term decision, whether that's roofing, siding, windows, or gutters. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.